Well, 2019 has come to an end, and here at Money and Markets, we'll not tire in sharing with you tips on how you can make that money and grow.
I would say that there are about 4 things that a person that is doing business has to look at. First of all, you need to look at the human resource management. These are guys whom you use to earn a living. So you need to make sure that you manage them very well and especially pay them for the products that they make. You have to look at the marketing bit of it. These days we use social media marketing, which is ideally cheaper and reaches out to very many people, our target audience. And then we've got some very good money and some very good returns out of social media marketing. And then there is, of course, product development. You must make sure that you produce very good product. That is what is going to give you very good mileage with your competitors. Yeah. And then another thing is basically financial management. Because most people, when they come into business, they think that the money they make belongs to them. The money they make belongs to the business. So there is a going concern of the business. It must always go on. You get money, you put back. And the profit bit of it is very minimal. And it's what you should put back into the business. You are not going to sell a sofa that you sell 3 million and you think all that money is yours. There is a cost of production on the sofa. There are expenses, fixed expenses like rent. You have to pay workers. And then your profit is basically something which is very minimal. So as a business person, you should always look at putting back into the business, not to eat the whole business. You cannot expect milk from a cow that you do not feed.